Today we're going to do a real quick overview on how you use a multimeter to measure battery voltages, DC battery voltages. Here we go. Welcome to Senior Research Engineer. If you like what you see and you'd like to see more of these types of videos, be sure to like this video and subscribe. Okay, with a basic meter, that's all you need to do is make sure your probes are properly plugged in for DC voltage. And you look at the batteries and you look at how many volts am I going to be testing today? Well, we know these three are going to be 1.5 volts or below. This is going to be 9 volts. So we're going to set the basic meter to, turning it on, here we go, to 20 volts DC. If you have a high-end meter, that's all you do is you just turn this meter over to voltage and it's on, ready to go. On the probes, make sure you never touch the conductive side, only the handles. On the battery, always go red to plus. And the ground, so here we go, the ground is on the back side. 1.5 volts. It's a good battery. There's the DC 9-volt battery. I go plus to the plus side, negative to the negative side, and I've got 9.05 volts. That's a good battery. Okay, how to test AC voltage real quick. All you do is you turn this again to the highest voltage, the voltage above what you're looking to measure. Let's say we're trying to test an outlet. Is the outlet good? Well, now we know that that's going to be 120 volt, 125 volts. So you turn this to the next highest voltage, which is 200 volts AC. Now that it's alternating current, plus and minus doesn't matter because it's alternating current, AC. Your house voltage. So you can put them in any way. Make sure they don't touch. Make sure you have your safety glasses on. Now you've got your measurement, 119 volts AC. Looks good to me.